Another cute one here, ladies. So, she has 2 combs in the front. She has a 5-inch deep part. She has 1 comb in the back and an adjustable elastic band. This curl is really, really pretty. I already removed the excess lace, and now I'm going in to style the baby hair. I always make my Got To Be mixture. To me, that's been the best when it comes to styling and laying down the baby hairs. So yeah, I just take Got To Be spray and Got To Be glue, mix it together, and bam, you got a good mixture for laying some baby hair. But you must use it fairly fast because it does dry quickly. As I style the hair, I like to clip it off so that while the mixture is drying, like while it's drying after styling it, it dries into place. And I also freeze it into place with the blow dryer on the highest setting. I must say that this hairline so far, straight out the box, is fire, and it didn't take long to style. Look at that. Look how pretty. Like, my God. This is the second Motown Tress wig that I've styled, and I must say I'm impressed, y'all. Look how pretty. Okay, y'all, we have a model here. We have someone different. Look how pretty this wig is on my lovely mother, Mama JuiceDrop. Look, she playing in it. She's styling. She's voguing for y'all. Look how cute. Okay, this wig is so pretty. It's giving me real summer vibes, okay? Real beach vibes. So stay tuned to the commentary, y'all.
Mama JuiceDrop here, and I have a wig to share with you guys. This beautiful wig is Miss KPL Feri, and she is made by Motown Tress. She boasts a 13x5 curved parting with HD invisible lace. Don't you love it? She also comes in a lot of other nice styles. Don't sleep on Motown Tress lace. Look at this. Look. Just look at it. Alright, we're going to do a close-up on this hairline, ladies. We're going to get into this curved parting. Look at that. That is that natural nude parting that you really don't, if you don't want to add any foundation to it. Okay, let's get into the pros and the cons of Miss Feri.
Yay.
Okay, pro number 1 is this flawless hairline.
Girl, get into it.
Get into it. Are you here for it? Because I'm definitely here for it.
Okay.
Okay. Pro number 2 is this nude lace.
This lace color that Motown Tress featured with this series is so suitable for all skin tones, especially the medium to dark skin tones, as my lovely mother, Mom JuiceDrop. That's definitely pro number 2. So what's pro number 3, Mama JuiceDrop?
Pro number 3,
she's big head friendly.
Oh
okay?
Yeah, she's definitely big head friendly, and they also provide you with an elastic band in the back.
And it's adjustable too, lady, like a bra strap.
It's not elastic. We're gonna call it the bra strap band in the back because it's not elastic.
It's not necessarily elastic, but I like the fact that they give you 3 prongs on there, just like a bra boo. So, baby, whenever you lose weight, you go in. Whenever you gain a little bit, you go out. Okay. All right. So that's definitely what it is. Pro number 3, right?
And pro number 4 was
because we did the lace, the hairline.
That's it. Just 3 of them.
The fact that it's big head friendly.
So it's the lace, the hairline, the curvature, and that's it. That was just 3 of them.
Now, ladies, let's get into the cons of Miss Feri.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Mama JuiceDrops. Okay, Mama JuiceDrops.
The cons of Miss Feri are as follows. But anyway, no. The cons are, she tangles. Not a lot, but as you can see, I can't really, I can't really run my fingers through her. But that's to be kind of like expected with curly hair.
Really? Say she tangles towards the ends of the hair.
Yeah, she tangles. She's basically softer like towards the ends of the hair. That's when your tangling.
That's when your tangling
begins. And
what about the nape of the neck?
The nape of the neck,
tangling back there and around the nape.
No, and as a matter, I don't know what's going on, because as a matter of fact, the tangling seems to be mostly on the sides. Like, that's weird.
To the sides and the
like
ends,
to the sides and the ends. But you probably could get away with just spraying like a little bit of detangling
in there, and that
spray in there
trick,
of your choice. That should pretty much do the trick. As far as the shedding goes with Miss Feri, I would say that it's minimal shedding. It's not like every time you run through, you're not gonna get globs of hair and like that. Oh shit, you're not gonna get globs of hair like that. But
so would you say that the shedding is minimal for a curly wig?
Yeah, it's minimal for a curly wig. Yes,
yeah, because I noticed with curly wigs you definitely get shedding, because what you gotta do, ladies, you have to always comb them out, right?
Right.
So you're definitely gonna get shedding, but would you say it's like profuse, or would you just say it's minimal?
It's minimal shedding. It's not nothing, like some wigs that I've had before, where every time you touch it, you got a big ball of hair to boot.
Yeah.
Without even
without even combing it out, you got a big old glob, right?
You got a big old glob,
so
a big
Feri
hairball.
Not like that.
No, Feri is not
at
all. She does shed, because it's a synthetic wig. I'm telling you guys, but look at that. Like, look at this.
The hairline. I can't get over that hairline, though.
Look at his hairline. Like, stop. If you sleeping, boom, boom, boom. Wake up. I'll go pick you up one. It was less than $50.
So would you buy this wig again?
Yes, I would. Like, I might even go get that T1B fuchsia. Your
Hoyt. All right, just to change up the season on the whole.
Yeah, it's getting it tough.
So you would definitely buy it again. So if you had to rate to Miss Feri, what would you rate it?
I would rate Miss Feri 8.5.
Oh,
8.5 she gets, because I love this wig. It's really, really soft, and I'm just gonna hate to see it go, because there's no longevity on these wigs, but because the hairline, look, let me show you again. Get into that hairline.
That hairline is awesome. That hairline, if I got a tool, that hairline is flawless.
Right. The hairline makes up for everything else.
Yeah, and I just love that color on you, Mama JuiceDrop. You look so indigenous to the earth, so natural, so beautiful, and
thank you, ladies, for watching this tutorial and review on Miss Feri. And I would also like to ask you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to my daughter's channel. And also, don't forget to follow her on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.